Hey folks, welcome back to Muscle Cars of Texas. I'm really excited. We're doing so much work here at the shop. Come follow me and see what we're doing right over here. We've got a 78 Trans Am up on the rack. We've done all the underside of this car. We've even fixed a little bit of rust on it, but I mean, it's come together. It looks fantastic underneath here. It's got new brakes. It's got new everything under here. You know, fuel lines, brake lines, blah, 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 blah. Good stuff. New fuel tank. All that stuff is great. We'll be done with this hopefully next week, and this will be on the road. Let's go look at one other thing. Come this way, over here. Our 59 Ford F100 that we're getting ready to deliver to the customer next week. I mean, everything on this truck is custom, everything. Come back here. We set the bumper in place, and actually, if you come around over here, you might be able to see, but we actually put a rear view camera in it, right there, so you can see backing up and all that good stuff. He's got his trailer hitch attachment right there. This is the original bumper off the truck that we painted and did the body work on it. And naturally, the Ford logo is done in a darker color. Very, very cool. This truck is awesome. Oh, I forgot. Look at the bed. The bed of this truck is awesome. Look how pretty that thing is. That's the fuel tank right there. That's your filler. So folks, if you all need something, if you got something in your garage that you want to get done, you know where to bring it, right here at Muscle Cars of Texas.